Coming up today on GTV, we'll be talking about a teachers union rally in Indianapolis and some scholarships that are available.
And in sports, we'll tell you how girls basketball did this week.
Now to the Pledge of Allegiance.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now a moment of silence. Thank you.
Welcome to GTV. I'm Stephanie Diaz.
And I'm Emily Hall. We wanted to inform you guys of how last Friday's blood drive went. But first, thanks to all donors and workers who participated in the blood drive. As a school, we donated 76 units of blood. Here's a video Colden put together, starring me.
That's Emily's blood. And that's Emily.
Wow, that was some good footage. Some vampires would have liked to see.
I know, right?
Just a reminder to everyone, we will not have school on November 19th because the teacher of Goshen and staff will participate on an organization called Red for Ed Action Day, which is just to stand up for all public education in the state. The makeup day will be on Friday, February 14th, 2020, which is Valentine's Day. Also, there is a new schedule for ISTEP.
Since we did not have school yesterday, Jostens will be returning for senior orders during SRT. All seniors and juniors graduating early should plan to order a cap, gown, and tassel package for $32 at this time if they plan to walk on the graduation ceremony in June. The exception would be students who are wearing a friend's old cap and gown. These students can order just a 2020 tassel for $10 if they would like a tassel with the correct year. Next, we'll be talking about the shirt, which is the shirt we are wearing.
Wow, those are some amazing shirts.
Thank you.
I think I want one now.
It is November 30th theme. Later in the year, those who have this shirt will get some perks like free admission to events, drawing, etc. Money for the shirts due to Mrs. Clark in room 2280 by November 15th.
Thanks.
The cost for a crew neck is $10. The long sleeve t-shirt are $15 and hooded sweatshirts are $25. Come and help the school's goal sell 1,000 shirts.
The Chromecast scholarship is now available in the guidance office or in the GHS website. The deadline will be on Friday, December 6th. The Carriage Scholarship is also available in the guidance office, but you must be a 4-year 4-H member or have 2 years in a local FFA program. The deadline for that will be on March 1st. The dollars for scholarships application also is now open. For more information, the link of the video will be on the description for our YouTube channel.
Big Fish is a musical about giants, mermaids, and werewolves. Oh my! Auditions will be on December 3rd right after school starting at 3:45. Callbacks will be Wednesday, December 4th from 3:45 to 6 o'clock. Students need to prepare a 60-90 excerpt of a song with a sheet of music for piano accompaniment. For the first day of auditions, any choir teacher in room 5310 will be able to assist you in finding an appropriate piece of music. Auditionees will meet outside the auditorium doors in the music hallway.
Next up is sports with Evan.
Hey Goshen, I'm Evan, and these are your sports for Wednesday, November 13th. The girls varsity played at home against East Noble. The girls won by a score of 48-33. The top scorers were Bryn Shoup Hill with 6 points and Lizzie Kirkton with 12. The JV girls played East Noble as well and won by a score of 41-36. That's it for sports this week, and now back to Stephanie and Emily.
Thanks, Evan. Now to the weather.
Wait, before we get into weather, I have another joke this week.
Okay, Emily, go for it.
What did the hurricane say to the other hurricane?
I don't know. What?
I have my eye on you.
Emily, you do know you're cringe, right?
Yeah, sadly. Let's get into the weather with Johnny.
Hey GSS, I'm Johnny with your weather. There's a ton of snow on the ground. That's going to keep it cold for the next few days. Today will be a high of 26 and a low of 21. but the skies will be mostly cloudy. But tomorrow we'll have a high of 32 and a low of 18. It will be partly cloudy that day. And Friday, it will be a high of 33 and a low of 19. It will also be partly cloudy. This concludes your weather. Now back to Emily and Stephanie for the rest of your announcements.
Well, I guess that's the end of the video. We won't be back to December 6th, so hope you guys like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe so you'll never miss an update of our next episode.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Bye.